everyone to Sharon Sharanarthi. In this video, I would like to present one of the most beautiful and meaningful vachana of Allama Prabhu. Allama Prabhu lived in the 12th century. He was the chairperson of Anubhav Mantapa at Basava Kalyan. He wrote thousands of vachanas in Kannada language. All his vachanas are full of gist. Now I read his one vachana, first in Kannada and then its English translation. The vachana is Tanuva Tontava Madi, Manava Guddaliya Madi. ತನುವ ತೋಂಟವ ಮಾಡಿ ಮನವ ಗುದ್ದಲಿಯ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಗೆದು ಕಳೆದನಯ್ಯ ಭ್ರಾಂತಿಯ ಬೇರ ಒಡೆದು ಸಂಸಾರದ ಹೆಂಟೆಯ ಬಗೆದು ಬಿತ್ತಿದನಯ್ಯ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಬೀಜವ ಅಖಂಡ ಮಂಡಲವೆಂಬ ಬಾವಿ ಪವನವೇ ರಾಟಾಳ ಸುಷುಮ್ನ ನಾಳದಿಂದ ಉದಕವತ್ತಿದ್ದಿ ಬಸವಗಳೈವರು ಹಸಗೆಡಿಸಿದವರೆಂದು ಸಮತೆ ಸೈರಣೆ ಎಂಬ ಬೇಲಿಯ ನಿಕ್ಕಿ ಆವಾಗಳು ಈ ತೋಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಗರವಿದ್ದು ಸಸ್ಯ ಸಲಹಿದನು ಕಾಣ ಗುಹೇಶ್ವರ. I made the body a garden and the mind a pickaxe. I dug and got rid of the roots of illusion. I broke the worldly mud chunks and sowed the seeds of Brahma. From the well of non-fragmented expanse with breath alone as the pump, and from the depths of Sushumna, I irrigated the garden, concerned that the five bulls will destroy it. I installed the fence of balance and tolerance. Being awake all the time, I took care of the sapling. You see, Guheshwara. In this beautiful vachana, Allama Prabhu comments on the ingredients needed to implant and enhance the godliness within us to make the body into a true temple, using the various gardening activities as simile. The body is made into a garden plot. The mind is made into a pickaxe, a tool that helps digging. The characteristic of the mind is to always dig. Dig the past, dig the present, and dig the future. Allama Prabhu uses this mind axe to dig and get rid of the roots of illusion. For a garden to flourish, the soil has to be free of knots. Allama Prabhu compares the worldly activities to the knots of mud that need to be broken. Indeed, our worldly activities tie our lives into knots that keep us bound. We need to untie those knots. Into this tended soil, the seed of Brahma is sown. Here, the seed of Brahma means the profound knowledge or awareness. The word Bagadu has two meanings: digging or raking and learning. Allama Prabhu is emphasizing that he learnt all about the seeds of Brahma before planting it. He did not just dig the soil and plant the seed. We need learn to all about the seed and make sure it is the right kind to get the right crop. Once the seeds are sown, it is time to irrigate them. The source for this irrigation is the well of the whole expanse, that is the universe. Allama Prabhu uses the channel of Sushumna to fetch the water from the deep well. Sushumna is the channel of energy flow in the body that starts at the lowest and ends at the highest chakra locations. Here, Chakra means nerve or energy bundle. Essentially, Allama Prabhu is invoking the deepest energy source in the body and carries this energy through the body to soak the seeds just sown. This is the concept of awakening the Kundalini Shakti. Farmers use a mechanism called Ita or Ratala to fetch the water from wells. The farmer moves the Ita or Ratala down for collecting water from the well and up for bringing up and releasing the water into the garden. Allama Prabhu uses breath as Ita or Ratala. The up and down motion of Ita or Ratala is compared to inhale and exhale aspects of breath. As the seeds sprout, Allama Prabhu is concerned that 5 bulls might destroy the garden. Here, 5 bulls are compared to our 5 senses. As such, he builds a fence around the garden with balance and tolerance as the components. In addition, he is staying awake all the time to make sure that the garden flourishes, meaning that it is a must for us to be aware and awake for the divine knowledge in us to sprout and flourish. Just planting is not sufficient. The Vachana is thus a complete guide to self-realization. Once again, Sharan Sharanarthi to all.